Hey, it's Leah, and today I want to talk about making the easiest opt-in pages or websites that you can put anywhere on the web. These are also secured websites. So you'll see that a lot of places won't even give that to you. You have to buy a secured certificate. So what does secured mean, Leah? That's where you see that HTTPS://. So a lot of times you don't see that. And when people don't see that, they may not click on your opt-in page, your blog, your website, whatever. It's just showing that this is a secured method and it's already done for you. So one of the things I want to show you today is how easy and quick you can make a website, an opt-in page, whatever you want, and make it right in the system. This is all a drag and drop right over here on the far left hand side. All you have to do is just grab it and plop it. You add a title, and you can add a subtitle, and you can change the alignment, spacing. A lot of times I like to do 0 just so it's at the top. Here you could put 10, you could put 0. The section background, if you want it gradient, you can do that. You can change it to any color, any design, whatever you want. And here on the heading, you can make it as small or as big as you like. You can do regular, bold, light. So a lot of times I like to do bold on my titles. You can change that color. You can go to your subheading and you can do the same thing, regular, bold, or light. You can drag this little button and make it as big or as small as you like. You have the font size of italic or normal. You can change that color and you can hit OK. If you didn't like it, go ahead and select the delete, put it in the trash, and hit OK. Super simple and easy. I've never worked with anything so simple. It takes absolutely minutes to make a page. And if you've already got an image that you've already posted on the web or something you really like, all you have to do is just add it in here. So if I wanted to change that image, all I'd have to do is hit delete, and I can add text on top of the image if I'd like. We'll hit cancel there, or OK. And you could change it to a different one. Or you can go ahead and select any of these right in the bottom boxes, which would ever work best on the information that you're sharing. So there is so much you can do with this. You can hit OK at that. Maybe you want to add a background to this top section. All you have to do is come over to the style area, section background. You can do solid, gradient, or an image. So if I wanted to add an image on the back there, I could select any of these, select one of them, hit OK. It'll bring up the image. Go ahead and select. Now I added it into the background. Now maybe I want to do it as an overlay. I don't want it that bright. I wanted to make it darker, but you can still kind of see the overlay in there. It just really depends what you want to do. So this is the simplest system I have ever seen. So I've tried many systems and I always get pretty stuck in trying to keep going and get frustrated. So then you just kind of give up and you don't pay anymore. This is absolutely the easiest system, and if you have any questions, anything I can answer, I'm here for you. We also do have support that gets right on Zoom, looks at your screen, and just wants to know, what do you need help with? How can I help you? It's absolutely amazing. Here I've added all my social media at the top here, so Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. Right here's my blog. The blog is just right at the bottom of my page. Every time that I send out a blog post in the 3-click marketing, it automatically adds it for me. I don't have to create it. I don't have to do it. It just automatically does it. Next, you can add videos. Right here, I have a video that I created on YouTube. You can do it on YouTube, Vimeo, wherever. As long as it's hosted, just paste that host. Go ahead and add any description if you like, and hit OK. Now, when someone goes to view this, so I can go into the preview mode and see what does this page look like? How's it going to react? So here I can scroll down and right there I can just click on it. So it plays right in your message or your page. So they're never taken off the page, and everything is right here so they can keep scrolling and learning more about what you're sharing. So I want to let you know how simple and easy this is and how fast you can make pages. I make pages all the time. I made a couple today, and right here you can start collecting and growing your email list. So here I don't like the spacing on that, so 40 is a little much for me. I'd go down to 10. So it just tightens up these areas so that you're not scrolling so much. But here I can hit save and I'm done. Here I can go ahead and add buttons. So this button is right here. So I say test it out now. I can redirect it. They can call me, email, and download a PDF. I will be adding some PDFs in here. So if you'd like to click on that and test it out, you can do that too. So here is just other images and more about the business. Here's how you can market your business fast, another video. Here's just a large image. And here's more about being part of an affiliate program with Royalty. So if you love the opportunity to be able to help small businesses and help them be on social media, blog, Facebook, posting ads and making it simple, I'm definitely here to show you how to do that. Right here you will get landing pages, email responder, monthly impressions, advertise on your app, content management tools, a custom app to manage all your apps right from your smartphone, a team messenger and sales management tool. We have training usually 3 times a week right with the CEO, and it's all done right here. If you have any questions, again, please do reach out to me. My name is Leah. You can click on any of these and message me, check out the other info. You can call me or email me. I thank you for your time. If you'd like to know more about getting started and putting your business on the web, I'm here to assist you with the process. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.
It's essential to have a few key elements within your business or marketing in order to be successful. One, you need a website to promote your brand, company, or service. Done. Two, since most people don't buy on the first go-around, you need a way to retarget and remind them of what you offer. You need an email autoresponder for that. Done. Three, what good is a fancy website and nice autoresponder campaign if no one knows about your business or service? This is where advertising comes in. Done. Using our proprietary system, you can instantly advertise on over 1 million popular app networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Forbes, and CNN.com, just to name a few, at no extra cost. Four, now that you're acquiring leads and customers, you need a place to store and keep them organized. Most companies use a customer relationship management system for this, also known as a CRM. Done. Five, now that you have the main components in place to be successful marketing your business, you need a few more strategies to increase maximum potential results. And lead magnets are the way to go to help customers take action. Done. Six, stay relevant by keeping your prospects and customers informed through a blog. Done. Seven, you want to take advantage of social media, and one way to do so is by posting engaging articles and content relevant to your niche or offer. Done. Now, what if all these services were done for you? What if there was a way for all of this to be created for you instantly, like magic? Well, now you can. Introducing Royalty Artificial Intelligence, the first all-in-one marketing platform of its kind. Always learning, always improving, always getting better. No design skills required, nothing techy to learn. Our system does the heavy lifting. Now, when you join Royalty, your marketing is done.